No, you're not Shed Corgi. So, what we're doing today is changing this from a 90 into a 45 and adding a bung on it. So I'm going, because it's so dirty, I'm just going to cut the pieces first, get them lined up where I need them, and then clean all the aluminium ready for welding. And hope that the oil hasn't penetrated too much. So let's get on with it. The death wheel. Never use it. Something like that. Finishing time. Now, I didn't have to clean the whole lot up, but I thought I might as well, so I'd already cleaned up a large portion of it. Now it looks shiny. So, I'll tack them together and then heat it up a bit, so then the weld will take better. I've done what I can. It's got a lot of heat in there and I'm letting that cool down. Now, he wanted me to weld this on the side. Now that's the end of an aircon line, I'm assuming. It's full of dirt and, well, yeah. Scrap pile. I've got a piece of aluminium that is not made of dirt, so I'm just going to drill the hole, put this in, and he can just enjoy it. Now, where do I leave those measuring sticks? That might work. I really need to get a new drill that doesn't need. I really need to get a new drill that doesn't need to be reset every time it bogs down. Like that. And normally I just cut that out of the videos. Oh, there it goes again. One day I will get myself a nice Makita. That's the size. Alright. Back to welding. Alright, so there we have it. One completed thingamywhat's it. Now, it's one of those things and it just bolts onto that other part and a hose goes on each side and yeah, it's one of them. I think what you're meant to do is really tuned. Alright, so, well, I'll just let this cool down naturally. Put this piece aside for next time. So, yeah, this thingy all sorted. Ready to go back onto that other what's it. Now, if you want to learn how to weld cast aluminium, there's plenty of really good channels out there that will teach welding tips and tricks. Now, welding normal aluminium, great, but cast, it's tricky. Well, I'll send this back to its owner. That's it for today. Come on. You cantankerous little sausage. Don't touch that. It's very warm still. Your nose will not handle that. So, that's it for today. from Shed Corgi and me, customise everything.